Hey explorers, so today we're in Avignon and we're starting off with a food tasting tour, and then I'm doing a bike tour later, so make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can see all I do today on the wine cruise. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much, I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into today's video.
We are here today to try local products. So red wine here, cheeses, tapenade, olive oil, and olive tape. Yes.
Cheers.
We don't know. In France, it's a blend, we don't know the percentage of each. Okay. I give you one here. Olive oil. You have garlic.
So we just finished a tasting at Chez Merci and it was really good.
Alors, emblème of Avignon, you can see you have got 3 keys. The 3 keys, they are surrounded by 2 falcons, and on top you have a kind of crown. Now we can...
Non, mais c'est très bien. Voilà. Bonjour, welcome. Okay. Egg white, lavender honey almond for the white nougat. And the black nougat, no eggs inside. Only honey and almond roasted. Okay? The classic one, orange, salted caramel, forest fruit, raspberry, and the black nougat.
And the black one, this is the one without...
Okay, where it is.
all the products you tasted in a restaurant.
Time for the third tasting.
Mixed with herbs of Provence. So you can take a little cake like this. You put it in the pot and you can help yourself good.
Wow. Merci.
That's a shot.
Here. So they are over because it's linked to history of the Saint of Provence, who arrived in 45 AD on the shores of the Mediterranean Sea. Fleur d'oranger, orange blossom, caramel.
Merci.
Rolled into chocolate. So the clock tower dates of the 15th century. And the Hôtel de Ville was built in the 19th century.
We're now at the Pope's Palace, built in the 14th century. So we finished our tasting and walking tour of Avignon and headed back to the boat where we will have lunch. Back to the boat. So I came back to the room for this details on the chef's table that we will have for dinner tonight. So in here, obviously it's really rolled, but it has the menu for tonight. Finally decided to come up to the top deck of the boat. It's really nice up here. tub. It's pretty cool. Nice little seating area.
But
I'm so
don't
special,
touch
so
this
special,
one
so
because it's really
special.
hot, huh?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Tell Chef I said thanks, Chef.
Yeah, that looks good.
Thank you.
I'm glad I got a double.
Yeah.
All right, explorers, so we just finished eating lunch, and so now we are, or at least I am going on the bike tour. So see what I can capture in a moment. Time for the bike ride. Oh, persimmon. That's it, yeah.
To high-star restaurant, Michelin-star restaurant. So we can have a quick stop over there and have a look at them. So it's a really long-lasting house which are displayed in the food down, and the pear will grow the whole season inside the bottle. And the bottle will make a kind of greenhouse effect. It goes, and whenever the pear is ready, big enough, you see, you just pull the bottle, the pear falls inside.
Wow, okay.
And then you pour we don't do the liquid with the spirit, with the
Grows in there.
Interesting.
Très intéressant. Merci.
Oui, oui, oui. C'est ma problème.
No, no.
It's cold outside, so it warms up.
I like the other one better.
We have this backpack.
Can't look. I hope I'm recording something good. I know. I think you're in there. Okay, so now we're headed to a special dinner, a chef's table dinner. So it's gonna be extraordinary, as I hear. So can't wait to show you. Really?
So, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and very welcome for Chef's Table Restaurant. I feel like a star.
You know, because I mean, sweet would be really sweet.
Vegetables brunoise on the plate and pesto sauce. Please enjoy. Sauce, it's a French sauce based on egg yolk, on Dijon mustard, extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of lemon, and salt and pepper, of course. Soup with shiitake mushroom marmalade, shrimp tartare, and cherry tomato. Please enjoy. Bon appetit.
So good at telling us what works. What's your calendar? Yeah. We get dessert, right?
Thank you.
I'm gonna eat more and more and more like I haven't had any food.
After touring and exploring Avignon and enjoying a lot of food and drinks on the Amacello with AmaWaterways, we finished up the evening with the Gypsy Kings as well as having fun in the lounge. But next up, we're sailing to Vivier. So make sure you stay tuned by hitting that subscribe button and a notification bell. It's free for you to do so. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave any questions or comments you have down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great dinner night wherever in the world you are. Bye.